Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can see hidden smudged text with a white marker on a screenshot. It can be on both iPhone and Android. Show and tell how it can be seen and read. The new best chips on your phones. Subscribe to the channel, be sure to watch this video to the end. Put likes, write comments. Let's get started. Let me show you my screenshot now. This is what it looks like. As you can see this white marker, and in order for you and me to see the text that's printed underneath it, we need to go to either the Apple Store on an iPhone. If you're on Android, go to Google Play Market and download this free app from Google called Snapseed. Once you've downloaded it, click Open. Go here, click Add Photo. Add your screenshot. Click Tools. And then you need to add a little light, remove contrast, and add bright colors. The first setting depends on what color. That is, if your color is white, you may need to put the first setting at -100%. The second setting contrast you may need to put at +100. This you already see yourself there on your screenshot. Because on the red light, let's say here such functions do not work. Here you need to do everything differently. That is, we do it like this. The next setting. We try to put or plus, or also try to put, let's say, minus. The next setting we turn on, put either plus or minus. Look, we can either add or make it smaller. And as you can see, we can already see the text that we have printed. Yes, maybe not all of it, but still most of the letters we will understand. Even the meaning of the text we will still understand. So we can make it smaller or bigger, so we can experiment with these settings. And we'll be able to see this smudged text. Look, this is how it was before, and this is how it was after. You will agree that it is much more pleasant and it is much more possible to make out some text. That is, you try to experiment with these settings. If you liked this video and you were able to see the text on the screen, then be sure to subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Be sure to write that I will show in the next video what other color marker. Perhaps green, yellow, red, some other. Thank you all for watching. Like, comment. Goodbye.